Since the Industrial Revolution, we have seen how the advance of technology facilitates the work of personnel in different economic sectors. The constant search for the invention of machines that facilitate human life has led us to think that our work will be replaced by them. What are those trades and professions that could be replaced in the future by technology? Accountants. It is believed that only those specializing in complex tax issues will be hired, but labor demand will be diminished in the market. Real estate agents. This traditional employment is being left behind with the new platforms and spaces that allow even for free to manage the purchase, sale or leases of houses and offices. Cashiers. The payment methods are easier to execute every day due to the instantaneous and practical ways that have been invented lately. Not only can you pay with cards, the chips are already inserted in phones, watches, handles, thus giving people autonomy and savings in the execution time of these processes. Workers and assemblers. Automation in several factories and industrial spaces aims at the elimination of several jobs and vacancies due to the great advances in technology, generating a reduction of time and money in the processes. Travel agent. Internet has been another ally of the reinvention that has led to the success of many companies using different devices. People can find efficiently and securely information of their preference. In this case, you will no longer need to go to specialized travel offices. From home you can compare prices, packages, etc. Call center employees. Many experts agree that the recognition of voice and the advance of artificial intelligence will not require personnel for this type of telephone solutions. Lawyers. Although it sounds incredible, the activities developed by these professionals will be developed by computer programs. It refers specifically to functions that require routines and document processing. Police. The surveillance functions will soon be carried out in their entirety by sophisticated technological systems. Replacing the basic agents with little specialization, their work field will be diminished.